Now, let me carefully explain how to create a long video in InShot on your phone, step by step, for better understanding. First, we carefully enter the video section, and here, as you can see, we select your videos to begin the editing process effectively. But if we are creating a long video, I will carefully explain how to effectively achieve this. Select at least 2 or 3 videos. I will choose 2. Now let's carefully explore how to create a longer video effectively. It's very easy and simple. You can simply add multiple source videos, which will help you create a longer and more engaging video. You can add more clips from your video to make it longer, or you can adjust the speed settings for a smoother flow. Adjust the speed settings to make it slightly slower. This way, your video will become longer and smoother because the speed is slower. For instance, we had 10 seconds originally, and now it is increased to a longer duration, as you see. Now, as you can see here, the video has become slightly longer. You can also add more clips to create a longer video. So let's do that. You can also add various effects, stickers, or other elements to enhance your video, making it more engaging and fun. Even text can be added, like stickers. Now, for example, we have some fun stickers here. You can, for instance, add many fun stickers, and it will be amazing. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and now, let's say goodbye for now. Take care.